Now I am starting with exercise 1. Circle the subjects and underline the predicate from the following sentence. Number 1. Afzal has bought a wall mounting bookshelf. अफजल ने एक वॉल माउंटिंग बुक शेल्फ खरीदा है. In this sentence, Afzal is my subject and has bought a wall mounting bookshelf is the predicate. Number 2. The wax polished looks like ice cream. Wax polished ice cream जैसा दिखता है. In this subject, wax polish is my subject and looks like ice cream is my predicate. Number 3. Did you leave the back door open? क्या तुमने पीछे का दरवाज़ा खुला रख दिया था? यहाँ पे ये रूल काम आएगा जहाँ you हमारा सब्जेक्ट होगा and did leave the back door open हमारा predicate होगा. Number 4. Baking a cake is not easy as eating it. केक को बेक करना खाने जितना easy नहीं है. Here baking a cake is my subject and is not as easy as eating it. वो मेरा predicate है. Number 5. Kalyan, Namrata and Madhu have decided to learn yoga. यहाँ Kalyan, Namrata and Madhu are my subjects and have decided to learn yoga is my predicate. Number 6. I found a dead rat inside the wardrobe. Here I is my subject and found a dead rat inside a wardrobe is my predicate. Number 7. Are all Samuel's brother sailors? Here also the rule of questions and question or interrogative sentence will apply. Here all Samuel's brothers are my subject and are sailors are the predicate. Number 8. The trainer is running around the playground. Here the trainer is subject, is running around the playground is my predicate. Have you submitted the application form? Here only you is my subject and have submitted the application form are my predicate. Number 10. Don't open the box. Here don't open the box is an imperative sentence. Here the rule of this will apply. Here you is silent. If anyone asks you, you is your subject here and don't open the box is your predicate. Number 10. Will you bring the bucket of बुके टू द लेक्चर हॉल? क्या आप लेक्चर हॉल में बुके लेके आओगे? हियर यू इज माई सब्जेक्ट एंड विल ब्रिंग द बुके टू द लेक्चर हॉल इज द प्रेडिकेट. नंबर 12. स्टॉप द प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम लिविंग द ग्राउंड. यहाँ पे ये पूरा सेंटेंस स्टॉप द प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम लिविंग द ग्राउंड इज द प्रेडिकेट. इफ anyone asks you what is the subject in the sentence, the subject is implied, that's you. ठीक है, ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे ये एक्सरसाइज मैंने ऐसे लिखे हैं आंसर्स. ये दोनों एक्सरसाइज मैंने ऐसे लिखे हैं आंसर्स. आप चाहो तो अपने सब्जेक्ट से अपने प्रेडिकेट्स खुद लिख सकते हो. शी इज एन अमेजिंग डांसर. यहाँ पे राइट योर ओन सेंटेंसेस फॉर द फॉलोइंग प्रेडिकेट्स. यहाँ मैंने मेरे आंसर्स लिखे हैं. इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेंज द आंसर्स. यू कैन राइट एनी वंस नेम, यू कैन राइट एनी थिंग, वॉट एवर यू लाइक. यहाँ मैंने लिखा है शी इज एन अमेजिंग डांसर. यू कैन राइट एनी वंस नेम, वैभवी, अनुष्का, Mansi, Mamta, any name, even boys, even Vanraj, Naman, any name you can take here. ठीक है. I love to go to rafting in the river. He bought me a watch and cap. Lion becomes weak with age. Rahul and Aryan are the best engineers we have. Preeti and Neeta start fighting whenever their parents are away. Shania has booked 3 tickets for evening show. Payal will not reach here tomorrow. यहाँ मैंने पर्टिकुलर नाम दिए हैं, आप किसी के भी नाम लिख सकते हो. It's your own choice. Write your own predicate for the following sentences. Here I have written student's choice. Student's choice मतलब you can write whatever you want, whatever you feel. Now, Neena and I went to Mahabaleshwar. You can write Neena and I went to the dance classes. Neena and I went to the jungle safari. Whatever you like. Went की जगह आप और भी कुछ यूज़ कर सकते हो. Neena and I were dancing in the party. Anything you write. Some of the onions in this bag are rotten. सड़ गए हैं. यहाँ rotten की जगह आप ripe लिख सकते हो, या फिर आप not good, are tasteless, whatever you want to write. Birds are singing beautiful songs की जगह birds are flying in the sky. Anything you write. Jennifer has a lovely red dress. She is working in a hospital as the nurse. This island is most beautiful island I have ever seen. An actor is the person who can act as real as happened. Those who have scored less than 30 are failed in the exams. Right? You can write anything, whatever you want. With this, I have completed exercise 1, 2 and 3. And with this, I have also completed the chapter number 2, that is subject and predicate.